If you have a 401k that is soon to be coming out of an employer plan, whether you're about to retire, you are retired, or you're just changing jobs and that 401k money is coming out of the plan, getting rolled into your own traditional IRA, there's two things that I want you to do before you do anything else. So, aside from, of course, actually moving the money, while that's in process, these are the two things to do. Number one is think about what you want the money to do. How do you want it to serve you? Why did you save it? What is the purpose of it? Is it a paycheck? Is it a pile of money that you want to grow and give to the next generation? Is it for charity? How is that money going to serve you, and what do you want it to do for your life? What are the goals? Number two is talk to a professional and somebody that is a fiduciary, somebody that doesn't get paid to sell you products. So maybe an advisor that's fee only. And this is super important because coming into retirement, you're going to get pitched a lot of things. And quite frankly, that pile of money is like a piece of meat attracting vultures. And you get a lot of pitches, you get a lot of salesmen, you get a lot of people wanting to put you into products or sell you products that pay them a lot of commission. I've seen often business cards getting handed around at companies, and this is their guide. This is a product that, someone, one of your friends, coworkers, bought and purchased and are happy with it, or are trying to convince themselves they're happy with it and recommending to you. And it's an annuity or an insurance contract or something that locks up your 401k into a product and pays you a small stipend every month. If that's the goal, that's fine. But think about the goal first and think about what are my options to get there. And quite often, the 401k is something that you want to generate a small income for. You want it to grow. You want to pull money out over time. You want it to pay you, pay your living expenses. That's a very common situation, but you have to understand the ways that you can get there. And an insurance product or an annuity is not always the most efficient way. It's a very efficient way for that salesman to get paid a commission. And that's why step number two is talk to a fiduciary, someone who is legally required to sit on your side of the table, and someone who doesn't get paid to sell you a product, but they get paid to solve the specific problem that you're there for. They get paid to help you achieve your goal. And a lot of times, those fee only fiduciaries get paid based on the amount of assets you have with them. And so it's in their best interest to make that pile of money as big as humanly possible. The richer you are, the more they get paid. And that puts you on the same side of the table as your advisor. And I'm not saying to not buy an annuity. I'm not saying to not buy an insurance product with the money, but just have the other two conversations first. Have the conversation with yourself, maybe your spouse, about what do we want this money to do for us? How do we want it to serve us? And then talk to a professional who is legally bound to sit on your side of the table. And very often, the fee structure that they charge is to make your assets as big as possible because they're charging oftentimes for assets under management. So the bigger your pile of money is, the more they get paid. And that puts them on your team. They want you to be as rich as possible. That's good for you. That's good for them. Have those two conversations first. And then if you decide, okay, an insurance product or an annuity is the way you want to go, that's fine. But don't make that your first conversation. You don't want to get stuck in an inflexible product because, a friend or a coworker recommended it and then you got pitched by a really good salesman, because oftentimes that is the character that these people have. So that's all I have for you today. That's what I would do if I was leaving a company and I had a 401k. Those are the two things I would do first as the money is rolling into my own traditional IRA. My name is Ben Edmond. I'm a certified financial planner. Of course, I am one of those fiduciaries. I am one of those fee-only asset managers. And we have conversations all the time. Not all of them, turn out to be people who want to be clients, and that's totally fine. But those initial conversations are us talking and seeing if we're a good fit for that retiree as far as achieving their goals. You can head over to passnow.com if you want to learn more. I'll also drop my email, ben@pasnawinvestments.com right here, and I'll see you in the next video.